Complete these 10 phrases to find out how good you know the English idioms. Number 1. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Number 2. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Number 3. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. The early bird catches the worm. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. And number 6, curiosity killed the cat. Number 7, you can't judge a book by its cover. All that glitters is not gold. Rome wasn't built in a day. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. If you're struggling to improve your English, Grammarly can help you. The link is in the description and it's free, no obligations.